Welcome back to our channel. Have you upgraded to iOS 27 beta, opened the Siri settings, and realized the new Siri AI features are nowhere to be found? Don't worry, you're definitely not the only one. A lot of people assume that once they install iOS 27, the new Siri AI experience will show up automatically. But that's actually not how it works. Right now, Apple isn't rolling out the new Siri AI features to everyone at once. In many cases, you'll need to join a waitlist first. On top of that, availability can depend on your region, language settings, and even the iPhone model you're using. So if your device isn't currently supported, upgrading to iOS 27 alone won't unlock the feature. Now, if your iPhone does meet the requirements but the Siri AI option still isn't showing up, there are a few settings worth checking. First, open Settings and go to General. Then tap Language and Region. Set your region to United States and make sure English is your preferred language. After that, head over to Siri settings and change the Siri language to English, United States. Once everything is set correctly, you should see the option to join the waitlist. After requesting access, all you can do is wait for Apple to enable it on your account. When you finally get access, you'll notice that Siri looks very different from before. The entire interface has been redesigned, and you'll also see a dedicated Siri app on your home screen where you can view your previous conversations. Even holding the side button feels different now, because instead of launching the traditional Siri experience, it opens the new Siri AI interface. That said, my experience hasn't been perfect. I've personally run into the "something's wrong" error message a few times. And after checking Reddit, I found plenty of users reporting similar issues with Siri simply not working. At first, I thought it might be related to network connectivity or region settings. But after doing some troubleshooting, it seems much more likely that Apple's servers are still being rolled out or updated behind the scenes. After all, this is still beta software. The new Siri AI experience is far from finalized, and Apple is probably continuing to tweak things while gradually expanding access. So if you can't get it working right now, it may simply be a matter of waiting until Apple opens it up more broadly or until the official iOS 27 release arrives later this year. Now, if you've installed iOS 27 beta and started running into bugs, battery drain, overheating, or app compatibility issues, and you're thinking about going back to a more stable version, you can also check out ReiBoot. It makes upgrading and downgrading iOS much easier, and it lets you create a local backup before downgrading so you can restore everything afterward without dealing with iTunes manually. If you're interested, I've left the download link in the description below. And if you want to see more iOS 27 features, hidden changes, tips, and troubleshooting guides, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.